Due to the continuous advancements in technology, astronomers are constantly uncovering the most distant, the most massive, and the most energetic objects in the universe. For a long time, humans thought of the Sun to be the largest structure in the universe. However, with the advancements in scientific knowledge and associated technologies, we came to know that there were numerous stars bigger than our Sun. Later, the discoveries of galaxies, black holes, and superclusters expanded our scientific knowledge beyond any previous expectations. It would not be wrong to say that since the start of the 21st century, we have truly started to unravel the mysteries of the universe. During the past couple of decades, astronomers have discovered some of the most massive celestial objects located billions of light years away from us. While it seems impossible for humans to ever be able to reach such distant structures, scientists believe that the mere knowledge obtained by observing such structures could help us to understand the mysteries of the universe, how it came to existence, and how things unraveled over time. So today, here at Unexplained Mysteries, we take a look at these 5 massive celestial objects. Red Square Nebula. In April 2007, NASA released images of a massive celestial object located in the constellation Serpens. This red-colored bipolar nebula is located in the same area of the sky as the star MWC 922. Scientists named it Red Square Nebula because of its color and shape. The images of the Red Square Nebula were taken using the Mount Palomar Hale telescope. This massive object is estimated to be located at a distance of 5,000 light-years from Earth. The unique nebula has fascinated scientists because of its symmetrical shape. According to Peter Tuthill, an astrophysicist at Sydney University, Red Square Nebula is one of the most symmetrical celestial objects ever imaged. Researchers are unsure about the exact composition and the origin of Red Square Nebula. However, most of the researchers believe that the massive star MWC 922, located at the center of the nebula, is responsible for its existence. According to Peter Tuthill, many stars that have a low mass, like the Sun in our solar system, get rid of their outer layers in order to produce stunning planetary nebulae. Researchers believe that this dying star is ejecting gas and dust into the surroundings, creating the nebula. It is believed to be a bipolar nebula formed as a result of the material emitting from the opposite sides of the star. TON 618 Black Hole. Black holes are massive objects that, according to our most recent knowledge, exist in almost all the galaxies in the universe. However, there are some black holes that are so huge that it is impossible for us to wrap our heads around them. One such black hole is known as TON 618. It is situated near the North Galactic Pole in constellation Canes Venatici. TON 618 itself is a distant and very luminous quasar. It has been termed as a hyperluminous, broad absorption line, radio-loud quasar. This extremely luminous quasar was first discovered in 1957 during a survey of the faint blue stars that don't lie near the plane of the Milky Way Galaxy. Scientists have estimated the size of this black hole to be equal to 66 billion suns. This makes it the most massive black hole ever found. The light originating from the quasar TON 618 that surrounds the ultramassive black hole is estimated to be 10.4 billion years old. The galaxy that surrounds the quasar is not visible from Earth, simply because the quasar itself outshines the galaxy. The quasar is estimated to be shining as brightly as 140 trillion suns. This makes it one of the brightest objects in the observable universe. Scientists have estimated the radius of the event horizon of the black hole to be approximately 194 billion kilometers. Event horizon can be described as the boundary beyond which nothing can escape, including light, which gives a black hole its distinctive black color. Researchers are baffled by the tremendous size of the black hole. One of the theories about the origins of this black hole is that it is a direct collapse black hole. Instead of being formed by a dying star supernova, this black hole was formed by a supermassive gas cloud collapsing under its own gravity. This is such a powerful process that it is capable of taking all the stars within the gas cloud with it. resulting in the consumption of thousands of distinct sources of mass, and eventually the formation of a supermassive black hole. Huge LQG. The huge LQG, or Huge Large Quasar Group, is a structure of 73 different quasars estimated to measure about 4 billion light-years across. In comparison, the Milky Way Galaxy is approximately just 100,000 light-years across. It was discovered by a group of scientists from the University of Central Lancashire in November 2012. They used data from a catalogue of the Sloan Digital Sky Survey to make the discovery. According to scientists, each of the 73 quasars is or was a centre of some galaxy in the early universe. It is estimated that huge LQG is located at a distance of about 9 billion light-years from Earth. The discovery of the huge LQG was a surprise for the scientists as it broke the cosmological record as the largest structure in the known universe at the time. Researchers believed that this massive structure could shed light on the evolution of galaxies. According to one of the theories, this type of mega collection of quasars may be a precursor to the galaxy superclusters in the modern universe. However, the exact nature of the connection of quasars with the modern universe is still a mystery. According to researchers, the huge LQG challenges the cosmological principle, which states that the spatial distribution of matter in universe is homogeneous and isotropic since the forces are expected to act uniformly throughout the universe. Giant Grb Ring. In August 2015, a team of American and Hungarian astronomers discovered a ring of galaxies spreading 5.6 billion light-years across. The massive galactic ring was revealed by 9 gamma-ray bursts, and hence it was named Giant Grb Ring. The researchers have estimated the distance of the ring to be around 9.1 billion light-years from Earth. GRBs, or giant gamma-ray bursts, are emitted when a dying star runs out of fuel. It eventually implodes, forming a black hole. During this process, huge quantities of energy get blasted in the form of collimated beams. And if Earth happens to align with these beams, the scientists can observe these incredibly luminous signals, which can then be used to determine the distance to the GRB as well as the location of the galaxy hosting it. The scientists believe that the 9 GRBs of the giant Grb ring are associated to each other as they are all located at approximately a similar distance from Earth. According to scientists, there is a huge probability that these GRBs were emitted by the same structure, and if this is the case, this would be yet another structure that contradicts the current models of the universe. In spite of its supermassive size, the giant Grb ring is not the largest known structure in the observable universe. That title goes to the next structure on this list. Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall. The largest known structure in the observable universe is Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall. This unimaginably massive object is a galactic filament comprising of a vast group of galaxies bound by gravity. This massive cluster of galaxies is estimated to be about 10 billion light-years across. Astronomers determined the size of the gigantic structure by mapping the gamma-ray bursts emitted from it. Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall was discovered in November 2013. It exceeds the size of huge LQG by more than 2 times. Astronomers detected 19 GRBs from the structure. The gamma-ray bursts were discovered in the direction of the Hercules and the Corona Borealis constellations. Therefore, the structure was named the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall. According to John Hakila, one of the astrophysicists behind the discovery of Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, the structure is larger than the theoretical upper limit on how big the universal structures can be. But the discovery of this structure has truly confused scientists about the cosmological principle. John Hakila believes that there is still a chance that sooner or later astronomers will find a structure even bigger than the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall. Scientists believe the size of the observable universe to be approximately 93 billion light-years. This means that the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall that spreads approximately 10 billion light-years across is about 10% of the observable universe. Another mind-blowing fact about this gigantic structure is that it is located at a distance of more than 10 billion light-years from Earth, and it is believed that it came into existence only 3 to 4 billion years after the Big Bang. Researchers believe that this gigantic structure consists of billions of galaxies. This means that there could be potentially trillions of stars and planets within this gigantic structure. The chemical and biological possibilities that lie within this structure are endless. But what do you think of these 5 most massive celestial objects? Be sure to let us know your thoughts in the comment section below and help us by growing this community while working to solve these unexplained mysteries. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.